Here are some ways in which you can use Excel to earn money. Freelance Excel work. Many businesses and individuals require the services of an Excel expert to create custom spreadsheets or automate their data management processes. You can offer your services as a freelance Excel expert and earn money by completing Excel-related projects for clients. Excel training. You can also offer Excel training services to individuals or businesses. You can create Excel tutorials or training materials, and offer one-on-one or group training sessions to help people improve their Excel skills. Excel templates. Another way to earn money using Excel is to create and sell Excel templates. You can create templates for various business functions such as project management, budgeting, and invoicing, and sell them online to businesses and individuals. Data analysis. Excel can be used for data analysis, which can be useful for businesses and organizations. You can offer your services as a data analyst, using Excel to analyze data and provide insights to clients. Stock analysis. If you have an interest in the stock market, you can use Excel to create stock analysis spreadsheets that help investors make informed investment decisions. You can sell these spreadsheets online to investors. In conclusion, Excel offers many opportunities to earn money, whether you choose to offer your services as a freelancer, trainer, or sell your templates or analysis spreadsheets. By honing your Excel skills and finding the right niche, you can use this powerful tool to earn a steady income.